Hello everyone, this is another video of online daily income channel. In this video today I will show you guys and I will explain about how to make real money online from YouTube without showing your face or without creating a video or content. In today's video I will show you how to do this strategy. All you will need to do, guys, is to search about the video you want to re-upload it in your YouTube channel. For example, we will write about how to make real money online. There are a lot of videos that you search about, but we don't need any one of these videos, guys. All you will need is to go to filters here on the top corner in your left hand, and you will need to click after that on Creative Commons. As you see here after under subtitles, click on Creative Commons. After that, guys, you will see a lot of videos that you can use them on your YouTube channel. Yeah, these videos, they are allowed to re-upload and reuse in your channel. For example, guys, we will click on this video.
As if you can't watch 10 minutes.
As you see, guys, this video, one of my YouTube videos, it has 9,710 views. All you need to do, guys, is I allow you to use it on your YouTube channel. Don't worry, guys, all of us will benefit from it. You will benefit from the views that you will get from the video. You will take it from my YouTube channel, and also I will benefit from that this video was helped and useful to a lot of people, and I will be happy to reuse it in your YouTube channel. Don't worry, I will not be upset at all. All you will need to do is to go on the top and copy the link of the video and go here to any website that you can download links from. Paste the link of the video here and click download. Here is my video that you will download. You will click download. And as you see, guys, there are a lot of qualities that you can download the video. Click on any quality you want, and after that, guys, click on create and upload video. Sorry, guys, the internet is very bad today. And select files, and the files and the video you downloaded, click it and re-upload it on your channel. That's all, guys. That's all that you will need to do to get a lot of passive income on your YouTube channel. Just take the link of the video
As if you can't watch 10
and download it and re-upload it on your YouTube channel. It's very easy, guys. Don't be lazy and let others people Yeah, don't be lazy, guys, to let other people use this strategy while you are doing stupid things and useless things in your mobile or on your laptops. And I will show you and explain the same strategy on another video. For example, for those people who they are interested in sports or gym workouts, for example, we will click on gym workout. For those people who they are interested and have audience interested in gym workouts, there are a lot of videos, but you don't need to take these videos, because these videos, a lot of them are not allowed to reuse them on your YouTube channel. As I explained to you recently, click on filters. After that, click on Creative Commons. All of these videos are allowed to re-upload and reuse them in your channel. See, guys, a lot of videos have a lot of numbers of views. Oh my god. See guys, 1 million. You can use this video that has 1 million views. Yeah, it's allowed for you guys, don't worry. See in the description of the video, see here, it says that Creative Commons Attribution License reuse allowed. That means, guys, that you can reuse this video because it has no copyright at all. You can reuse it. As I told you, copy the link of the video and put it here to download it and re-upload it on your channel. Yeah, we can see it again. See the number of views in this video. Wow, fabulous. As I explained to you guys, it's a very simple and easy strategy to earn a lot of passive income from YouTube. You don't need to show your face to get money from YouTube. YouTube is a cake, guys. It's like a cake and we have to share it all. Yeah, guys, don't worry. It's YouTube. it's the most profitable platform online. Yeah, you can get a lot of passive income from amazing and wonderful platform. It's YouTube, guys. Don't be lazy and let other people use this strategy while you are doing useless things on your mobile or laptops. As you saw, guys, this is the strategy which calls Creative Commons videos. It's an amazing. I wish the best to each one of you guys in doing this strategy, and I wish to each one of you guys to earn passive income from YouTube as me and a lot of people earn from it. So in the end of this video, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, and please give a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next video.